Here I've got V-Mobile S39 and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then click on More under Wireless and Networks, and here you will notice airplane mode. Simply click on it to switch off all the networks. Here you will see the sign of the plane, and that means that you are in plane mode. Then you can switch off airplane mode simply by tapping on the same switcher. Then if you would like to have a quick access to this mode, simply slide down the upper bar, and then you will notice it over here. Here is airplane mode icon. Click on it to activate it. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. Now it's active. You can switch it off the same way. So once you want to activate all the networks, all the connections, click on airplane mode icon one more time, and now you are back in the normal mode. So that's basically all, so you can quickly and easily activate airplane mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.